Hi, today I'ma do a more specific tutorial on how to animate planets. First, you're gonna need a light motion. Click Create New Project. You can name it whatever you want. You can also choose how many frames per second your animation is gonna be. You can also choose the shape. Okay, first we need a background. Click on this plus and then click Media. Upload the photo, video of your background. I drew the background in IBIS PaintX. You can adjust it by cutting it. Now click the plus again, and then pick the circle. Adjust it. Now click the plus, click Media and choose the asset for the planet. For me, it's gonna be Saturn. Adjust it and put it behind the circle. Click on the circle and click Blending and Opacity. And then choose Mask. Click Mask. Now I'm gonna add his rings to him. You don't have to do this if you're not making a planet with rings. Now we group everything except background. Click on this to group it. Click the plus and then this. Adjust it. Now let's make a face. First we need to click the plus, then Media and then we need to have his eye or mouth. Adjust it. You can duplicate it. Now I'ma draw the mouth. Now let's make him blink. I usually group the eyes, but if you don't want your planet to blink with both eyes at the same time, then don't group them. Click the plus and effects, and then add effect and scale assist. Add the keyframes. Oh, and don't forget about damping while making them blink. Now add the other keyframes and change the scale. There needs to be 3 or more keyframes if blinking. Click this to make the movement smooth. Okay, now let's move on to turning around. Group his face and his surface together. Don't group rings if you have. Now let's make him turn around. Click the group with the face and surface and add keyframes to it. Move and adjust however you want. When you have a planet with rings like I do, you can rotate his rings. Click on the rings. You can also use keyframes here. Now, if you want to make him walk, float around you need to leave from the group. We also need to decide in which moments the planet will move. You can make your planet either move around spin or get bigger, smaller. There's also this thing. I rarely use it. Okay, now it's time to make the planet move. Add keyframes and adjust. You can also add scale assist, not to make the planet move around. It's more useful in making edits. Look, it looks like it's squishing, bouncing. To make it move like it's moving to a beat, or in a riff, you need to place 1 keyframe at the start of the group and 1 keyframe at the end of the group. Of course, change the scale on the second keyframe. Click this. I click Try It first because I'll watch the ed later. Now the real fun begins. You can adjust it however you want. Here you can speed up or slow down the movement. Here you can make it go more like this. Of course, you can adjust it. It's very useful in edits. See? And yes, you can make him move even faster. You can also make movements like that in moving around, spinning, etc. And not only in scale assist. Now, if you're done with your animation, watch an ad if you haven't and export it. I cut the video so you're not seeing an ad right now. Export it. Now click Save and upload your animation to YouTube if you want. I really hope it helped. Bye.